Tickle him in the belly. Tickle him. Yep. Pull his tail.
No jokes.
No jokes. He's okay. Give him a little pet on the head.
Yay! Tonight on Nunu. Night happy.
Now you lifted him up a minute ago when he was laughing. Try that.
Hey! Oh, Nunu. No jokes. Oh yeah.
All right, put him down.
He wasn't laughing.
Poke him and give him a little. Uh-oh. Is he getting tired?
Yes. Yay! Night on Nunu.
Give him a little poke in the belly.
Blah, blah, blah.
What? Hopefully his alter ego won't come out. Turn him upside down. All right, put him right up, right side up. I think he's getting tired. Alien autopsy.
Can I show him the alien?
Point at it. We still gotta make the gummies. Don't take that out. What are you doing? Don't take that out. Don't take Reagan. Don't take that out. It's gotta stay in there to catch the guts. We gotta put gummies in the eyes.
Mommy, can I make the gummy stuff?
Yes, I'm going to help you. Oh, where's his head? All right. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Get the alien.
Merry Christmas. Oh, baby.
Okay, take it off his face. Merry Christmas.
Now, do it with me.
What is he doing?
Here's his alien hat. I'm having a job. I'm having a job. I'm having a job. I'm having a job.
Look, he's dancing. He's dancing the Mickey Mouse Funhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside.
The Mickey Mouse Funhouse. Come inside. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Bye, Furby.
Bye, Furby.